Tangsalo Indranagar ni IT Bhavano Phiyogwi Rwjakha Smart City Project ni data center ni Duglam ribbon cutting khlai data center ni Duglam no Phiyogwi Rwjakha Hasti ni Chief Secretary JK Sinha Pandau Manjaka Aguli Hamgrai Beding ni Tangphang Office Singha AMC ni Commissioner Shailesh Kumar Yadav no Khoboi Kubun Ozamarok Damni Jibri Zora Romoi Shalbur no Phiyogzak Tongnai Data Center हनी शाखा AMC ni Commissioner Shailesh Kumar Yadav
ये आज यहाँ पे हमारे माननीय चीफ सेक्रेटरी ने आज डेटा सेंटर इनॉग्रेट किया. So this is data center of the integrated command and control center of Agartala Smart City. Basically it has got servers which are working 24/7 and equipments worth around 30 crore rupees which are installed inside. And this was earlier hosted in DIT data center, but DIT data center there were issues of some shifting and all, so we decided to have our own data center. All the elements, smart elements which are installed in the whole of city, all the CCTV cameras, all the traffic signals, all the LED display boards, all the weather information display boards which are there, other systems which are there, they are all connected with 156 kilometer optical fiber cable which is owned by Agartala Smart City. All that comes here. This is basically brain of the whole system. From here it runs 24/7. We have a default provision of storage of all the data, like all CCTV footages, everything which happens all around the city for 30 days. If there is any incident, for example, if police wants some particular data to be stored for a longer time, for law and order or investigation, for crime detection, it can be stored for whatever time they want. But default, for 30 days it is stored. So we have got large amount of data storage capacity, which is 1 petabyte primary and 1.9 petabyte secondary.
Rwjakha Chini Khorang